Okay, I'm going to show you how to charge the Batt-A-Ray. When you first plug it in, this green light on the charging brick will come on. And the charging port on the machine itself is right there. When you plug it in, if this percentage of the battery life is below 70%, this will be amber in color. Right now it's in the 90s, so it's green. Say if it was down at 40%, it would be amber, and when it does get to 70%, it turns green. And at that point you think, well, it's green and it's fully charged. It's really not. It turns into a trickle charge at that point, and it needs to remain on the charger till you can read 99 or 100% up here. It takes about an hour and a half for it to fully charge. You could check your battery percentage by turning the machine off. And the first number that flashes on is your battery percentage, and that was 94. So keep it remain plugged in till it's at 99 or 100. You can also check the battery life with the indicator here. When this fifth bar is illuminated, you're fully charged. You can also check by turning the machine off, and when you turn it on in the kV readout, it will say the percentage. That is at, what's that, 98? So it's charged fully. If you find the batteries at 30% or below or at 2 bars, you need to charge immediately. Anything under 30% can do damage to the machine at that point.